You know what ducks and Twitch viewers have in common? They're just as thirsty. Oh! Hey, all Wild coming at you, and today I want to do something a little bit different. I wanted to talk to you about balance, balancing your burnout, balancing your life, balancing your production, incorporating everything and how you need to deal with it mentally and physically. And today I'm obviously not in the studio. I wanted to bring you a video about how I was getting a little burnt out and how I like to manage my burnout or overproduction or stress or anything in your life. And essentially it's about you got to get out. You got to make sure that there's other things besides just streaming production of online content. You got to really get out and visit the world and give yourself a mental break, which is why I'm out here at a local park after visiting with a client that I had to work with, because I was getting a little bit burnt out and overproduced of myself and stretching myself out. And it was starting to stack up. You know, I actually, I made a few videos that I wasn't really happy with, so I deleted them, and then I made a few pieces of art that didn't turn out the way that I wanted, so then I kind of just trashed them. Then my internet went out. A lot of things were kind of going in the wrong way, and it was becoming harder and harder to produce higher quality content. And, you know, I got a little burnt out, a little stressed, and that's perfectly fine, which is why I recommend everybody out there always take a break for yourself to see how you can, you know, evaluate and kind of recover. So today, I thought I'd take a nice little break and show you how I balance my life and balance my production of work. And I thought it'd be nice to take a walk around a lake and buy some grapes and actually see if we can find some friends out here to feed some fun grapes to. And let's see what we can find. Oh, there's so many ducks. Look how many viewers I have. More viewers than I've ever had on Twitch. You see, balance is all about finding what's gonna make you happy while also making you productive. And sometimes that requires you to take a break and find out what makes you happy. Because if you just keep going, yeah, you're gonna burn out, but you're also gonna fizzle out and you're gonna stop doing things that are making you successful. So you gotta learn to lay back, take it all in, and find things that are gonna make you have that mental and physical break time that's gonna make you happy. You see, balance is a lot more than just taking a break. It's about finding that center about what first drove you. And when you get outside and when you get all this time to reflect and think, it's gonna make you better in the long run because you're gonna find that passion again. You're gonna get that energy and you're gonna come back bigger and stronger. Probably one of the biggest problems I see from any streamer or content creator is when I ask them what their production schedule is like, it's literally 5 days a week or 7 days a week. Plus they have school or a regular job. That's way too much. Yeah, it's nice to have a good work ethic, but you're not doing yourself any favors because you're not even putting enough attention and detail into the work you're producing. You're just pushing stuff out and it's not good. So do yourself a favor, find time for yourself, because trust me, it will pay dividends in the long run. Now I'm done and I'm probably gonna go find some turtles and take some fun pictures out here and have a good time and find myself a mental break so that way I come back bigger and stronger for all of you people out there. So until next time, from me, the ducks and the turtles and the fun scenery out here, take care. And of course, peace. Here you go. We got plenty of grapes. Oh man, I don't know if I bought enough grapes for all these duckies. Here you guys go.